What is up? What is up? Happy Tuesday, guys. It is leg day. Welcome to the Fullerton Nutrition Daily News, where I let you guys know what I did for the workout for the day. I woke up late again. Woke up at 9. Usually I'd be at the gym by 8:30. So set those alarms. Usually I'm pretty good at waking up, not having to worry about those alarms. But it is leg day. So what I'm going to end up doing today is I'm going to do back squats today. Remember, we're going heavy still, going 5 sets of 3. So back squats. Remember, the most important thing when you're doing back squats, you're doing the back squats to hit the glutes and the hammies. Because remember, Tuesdays, I always do hamstrings. So with the leg day and with hitting glutes, you want to make sure all the pressure is on your heels during your deadlifts, during your RDLs, during your squats, during your reverse hack squats. Keep all the pressure on your heels. Reach back with the booty. Think if somebody was pulling the chair out from under you. Keep the chest up, butt out. All the pressure on those heels. So we're going to get superset. We're going to superset with the back squat and then superset with RDLs. And I'm probably going to superset on top with reverse hack squats. So I'm going to superset 3 heavy compound moves. RDLs really isn't a compound move. What a compound move is when you're using 2 joints at the same time. So for bench press, you're coming down, you got the shoulder joint and then you got the elbow joint. So that's 2 joint movements. So that's compound move. And then I'm going to finish up. So 5 sets of 3, superset everything. Don't take a break. Back squat straight into hack squat and then RDL. So superset, don't take a break. 5 sets of 3. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go drop set. 5 sets. I'm going to go a set of 5, super heavy. I'm probably going to do the same weight I did for the 3. And then drop the weight about 20, 30, 40, 50 pounds. And then do 10 reps and then go straight into 15, drop the weight again. So that's 1 set. I'll do that on back squat, reverse hack squat, and then RDL. Then, once I'm done with that, I'm going to go over to leg curls. And I'm going to do probably 3 sets of leg curls drop set. So same thing, 5, 10, 15, super heavy. So that's going to be leg day. If you do leg day, if you do any of my free workout programs, remember, go to FullertonNutrition.com. That's where you can find all the free workout programs, the free step-by-step guide on how to lose weight. And don't forget, join the live Q&As every single day, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. Arizona time, and then 6:30, 7 o'clock Arizona time p.m. So live Q&As twice a day now to help as many people as possible get that fat off the body as simple as possible, because it is easy to get the weight off. You just need a game plan and stick to that game plan. So for the segment for the day is plateauing. What do you do if you plateau? You started 2 weeks in, 3 weeks in, you dropped 10 pounds, awesome, but the scale's not moving. What do? You've lost 100 pounds. Now what? So the number one thing I always ask when somebody's like, I plateau, Tyler, what do I do? Are you tracking your calories? And most of the time people are like, no. If you're not tracking your calories, you're under eating. So starving yourself works for a little bit. But remember, when we starve ourselves, we slow down the metabolism. Hormones get all out of whack. You're not taking in the nutrients that your body needs. So that's why I talk about this so much, ladies and gents, is the calories. Calories matter so much. Yes, I get the word calorie deficit, but you have a calorie goal. So if you don't know what your calorie goal is, go to the website, FullertonNutrition.com, and it's going to ask for your height, weight, age, and activity level. It's going to give you your calories. So rule number 1, make sure you're tracking your calories with plateauing. But if you've dropped about 30, 40 pounds and you've plateaued, recalculate those calories, because your resting metabolic rate has now dropped. Because you weigh less, you're going to be burning less calories. So the resting metabolic rate has dropped. So you're able to drop those calorie goals if you've lost a lot of weight. And then another one with plateauing. Are you working out, lifting weights as you're dropping fat at the same time? If your answer is yes, throw the scale out the freaking window. Go off those before and after pictures, because that's what matters, is those before and after pictures. Let's be real. We're all doing this to look good naked. It's not about the scale. So don't stress out about that scale if you're working out. If you're working out, lift weights, you're building up that lean muscle mass, you're getting that fat off those muscles, so they're going to be toned. So let's talk about being toned for 1 second. Working out does not make you toned. What makes you toned is getting the fat off of your muscles so you can see your muscles. So when people are like, what's the best ab workout to get abs? You already have abs. You just need to get the fat off your abs to see the abs. So there is that. So we talked about calories, making sure you're hitting enough proteins. If you're plateauing, make sure you're hitting enough proteins. That's why you got to get that nutrients in your body. If you're doing hours and hours of cardio and you're eating like 1,200 calories a day, stop eating 1,200 calories a day. That's not your calorie goal unless you're like 5'0" and you weigh like 110 pounds and you don't work out. So those are the major reasons when people plateau. 1, they're not eating enough calories. 2, they're eating too many calories after their big weight loss. And 3, their workouts are just literally just straight cardio, or they're building muscle mass and losing weight at the same time. So you've got muscle, you're building muscle, so the weight of muscle is going up. You're dropping fat, the weight of the fat is coming down. So on a scale, you're not going to see a difference on it, but in your before and after pictures, you will. Somebody just sent me a before and after picture of losing 12 pounds. You would have thought they lost a lot more than 12 pounds in the before and after pictures. Like, they are awesome before and after pictures. That's the thing, guys. This is why I do this. Waking up to emails, to DMs on Instagram, letting me know that people are getting amazing results. All I ask is when you guys get results, please let me know. It's a fuel to my fire to keep doing these Q&As with you guys, doing the brand new Fullerton Nutrition Daily. If you're just tuning in, the Fullerton Nutrition Daily, you can listen to it on your favorite podcast network. Just look up Fullerton Nutrition, or on YouTube. Just look at Fullerton Nutrition. That is where you'll be able to find the Fullerton Nutrition Daily News. Today's leg day. Remember, hit those calories. Remember that why. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing night. And don't forget to smash that share button.